got...
And AirPod 5, may I message to verify information, Oscar?
We do have Oscar, Pod 5.
Appreciate it, thanks.
And we need to descend 13,000.
13,000, got it.
I left it on the V path because the next point is 13 above, so...
Yeah, that's fine. These are some nice mountains.
Check speed.
Yep. Then you can turn off the engine anti-ice.
Will do. Altimeter is 2986 3 times.
Copy.
Lights, passenger and cabin, you took care of it. Fuel is balance. Landing 3,500, landing data.
Now we're at 115.92 total, wind factor of 4,300, and the winds are pretty calm out of the left a little bit. It's indicating to the right to signature.
And I'll give you the minimums.
November 501 Alpha Papa, solid departure, your radar contact line, maintain 12,000 and proceed direct clock.
4,502.
Yep. I'm just going to
November Alpha Papa, thank you. AirPod 5, cross Jazz at 12,000 and you're cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 35 approach.
Jazz at 12,000 and clear for the RNAV runway 35 approach, Pod 5.
Okay, you can give yourself 1-2.
1-2 set, and you can put 1-2,000 hard.
AirPod 5 verify cleared RNAV Yankee 35.
RNAV Yankee 35 approach, Pod 5.
Thanks, sir.
Only showed us one kind of iron up there.
Oh, there's our RNAV Zulu
51
too.
Alpha Papa, climb maintain 14,000.
12, thank you, and can we direct the altitude?
November 249 Golf X-ray, Salt Lake approach, Salt Lake Oscar current. The altimeter is
Okay, we have RNAV Zulu.
No, I put in the RNAV Yankee.
You put here the RNAV Yankee.
Yep, that's what we're doing.
Golf X-ray, descending to 15,000. 249 Golf X-ray, roger, verified to 16,200. Expect runway 35.
And you can connect Jazz to Eddie or whatever the first waypoint is, because we're clear for the approach at Jazz.
9 Golf X-ray, thank you. Proceed direct Jazz and join the RNAV Yankee 35 final approach course.
Yep, thank you.
Alright, direct Jazz for RNAV Yankee 35, 9 Golf X-ray.
Delta 1989 out of 16.6 descending for Frenzy at 251 4,000. Good afternoon.
Okay, they have it just as a point.
Oh, okay.
Delta 1989, Salt Lake approach, good afternoon. You have a choice today of 35 or 34 left.
Good call.
34 left, please.
Culture 1 Alpha Papa,
Go 12,
contact Salt Lake
12.
Center on 133.9er. Good day.
There you go.
Thank you.
Delta 1989, roger,
Next, Jazz
and
to speed
proceed
230.
direct putter,
Copy.
intercept 34 left localizer.
Would you give your perform?
Direct putter, intercept 34 left,
yeah, you can go ahead,
localizer,
you can hit
Delta
resume.
19.
And the airport should be there somewhere.
Pilatus 249 Golf X-ray, cross Jazz at 12,000 and cleared the RNAV Yankee runway 35 approach.
6,100.
Jazz at 12,000, cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 35
Sorry,
approach.
4,900, even though it's not.
Delta 1989, descend and maintain 12,000.
Descend and maintain 12,000,
And
Delta
set the approach.
1989.
Okay, next is 10,000.
Oh. You can do it now because we're less than 10,000 AGL.
Smoke and visibility zones. Crew belts, check
Left.
right. APM beliefs set on the ground. Hydraulic pumps all auto and avionics are set for approach. Check that.
Copy that.
Next is before landing. Okay, airport is like 1 o'clock.
Yeah, I see it. And the approach is offset by 5 degrees.
They say 3 degrees here. Now this is RNP Zulu.
Yeah,
That's
it's
fine.
5 degrees in the Yankee. See what the Ross says, because it might think we're going for 3-4 pipe. We'll see.
Approach Skies 4773, 16,400, descending to cross Spain, 15,000 at 250 knots for 35.
SkyWest 4773, Salt Lake approach, roger. And you have a choice of 35 or runway 34 left. There's room on the west runway.
We'll just keep 35, Skies 4773.
Glide path is on.
4773, no problem. Cross Jazz at 12,000. Cleared RNAV Yankee, runway 35 approach.
Cross Jazz 12,000, cleared RNAV Yankee 35, Skies 4773.
VGP.
Up to 1989, descend and maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Descend and maintain 10, 10,000, Delta 1989.
AirPod 5, maintain 170 knots or greater to current.
170 or greater, pod 5.
You're good.
No, we're good.
See our runway?
No, 1989. Just a heads up, when I give you your visual approach clearance, I'm going to have you cross Camry at 10,000, which is a little above the glide slope due to restricted airspace that's active underneath you.
Thanks for the heads up, Delta 1989.
Final.
Yep. Put, I guess 9,000 on the mist. You can go get down.
Get down.
Yep. Laps 20.
1989, maintain
Laps 10.
210 knots
20.
or less.
20.
Just advise when you get field in sight. 11
Keep in
o'clock.
mind we have the
30
spoiler, so it might.
I know.
Field inside,
It only does it when the gear's up.
Delta 1989.
When you go flaps 20 on the spoilers.
1989, thank you. Cross Camry at
And
10,000. Cleared visual approach, runway 34 left.
Cross Camry at
Alaska
10,
Tower.
10,000, clear for visual,
Yeah.
runway 34
Good
left,
idea.
Delta 1989.
AirPod 5, can you wait switch tower?
AirPod 5, tower 118.3. Take care.
83, pod 5.
Flaps full.
Tower, AirPod 5 for the RNAV 35.
AirPod 5,
That's
Salt Lake
full.
Tower, runway 35, clear to land.
35, clear to land, AirPod 5.
And off 60,
Okay,
you
when
set
before
on the
landing, check
frequency, you
us.
said
Landing
you
at
make
down
a power
3
pass and the runway will be open.
Laps 30.
Confirmed.
We got clear to land. Lights are on. Fuel engine is
Roger, let me
complete.
know.
Oh, okay.
I see Papi on the left.
I see it.
Flagship 441, heading 280 on contact departure, good day.
280 over departure, flagship 441.
Pop 60.
Approaching
Optic 0, tower.
5.
3-4 right is open, thank you.
Tower, good afternoon. 9er Golf X-ray with you on the
500.
RNAV Yankee 35.
November 249er Golf
I see
X-ray,
the
Salt
bird.
Lake Tower, 10 miles in trail of the Challenger, caution wave turbulence, runway 35, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 35, 9 Golf X-ray.
Approaching minimum. Minimum.
Landing.
Okay, we're clear of anything.
A little bit low.
$100.
It's good.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Spotter deployed.
Southwest 2795 Salt Lake Tower, runway 34
Reversers.
right. Line up and wait.
You have fast K6.
We're not gonna make K6. Let's
Okay.
go on the next one.
Kilo 7.
South 2795 negative, hold short, runway 34 right, and let me know when you're ready.
Reversers idle. And yeah, we'll go right Kilo 7.
AirPod 5, turn right, Kilo 7, taxi the ramp via Kilo, monitor ground, point niner.
Right, Kilo 7, Kilo, and monitor ground, pod 5.
Okay.
Count two.
Hold on the
Count two.
checklist. You're clear on the right.
Thank you. After landing and IPU.
Probes. Then Andreas is off.
Left side's clear.
Oops. Afternoon check is complete.
Thank you. I love this airport. All the mountains in the background.
Flight average pop current similar 2985.
And we got a taxi all the way there.
34 right now.
Okay. Signature is after Kilo 3.
Copy. That's Kilo 4.
Yeah. You're gonna pass Atlantic.
Yep.
Then you're going to see.
Yeah, I see Atlantic over there. And that's Kilo 3. And
You continue after it, you can go in over there.
yeah, I'm trying to. Oh yeah, it's only a. You're right. Yeah. I don't remember. I think last time I was here, I went to Atlantic. That was a long time ago.
Yeah, just check. We are going to signature. So.
Yes, we are. I see our guy, and we need to go behind the global. Taxi lights off.
Off.
And you can swap the bleeds. Now it's 24 degrees outside, not too bad.